OpenArt versus MidJourney. Which AI art tool is better? Choosing the right AI art tool can completely change how you create stunning visuals without the frustration of complex software. Both options offer unique features worth exploring. OpenArt and MidJourney are two powerful AI art generation tools. The core difference lies in their approach. OpenArt focuses on user-friendly customization, while MidJourney excels in producing highly detailed and stylistically rich images. OpenArt is an intuitive AI art tool designed for users who want to create custom artwork quickly. It allows users to generate images using simple prompts and provides extensive customization options. With a user-friendly interface, OpenArt makes it easy to adjust styles, colors, and themes, catering to both beginners and experienced artists. One of its strengths is the ability to create unique pieces without needing advanced artistic skills. However, some users may find its output less intricate compared to other tools. Ideal for casual creators and those looking to experiment with art, OpenArt provides an enjoyable experience with a focus on accessibility. MidJourney is a sophisticated AI generator that delivers stunningly detailed images, often resembling traditional art styles. It operates through a Discord-based interface, where users input prompts to generate artwork. MidJourney is known for its ability to create visually striking pieces that showcase intricate details and rich textures. This tool is particularly favored by artists and designers who seek high-quality outputs for professional use. However, its learning curve can be steep for newcomers, requiring some time to master the nuances of prompt crafting. MidJourney is ideal for those looking to produce exceptional, gallery-worthy art, making it a top choice for serious creators. When comparing OpenArt and MidJourney, consider your specific needs. OpenArt shines in its ease of use, making it perfect for casual users who want quick results without deep technical knowledge. If you're looking to create art for personal projects or social media, OpenArt is a fantastic choice. On the other hand, MidJourney is suited for those who prioritize detail and artistic depth. Its outputs are often more complex, making it ideal for professional artists or designers seeking high-quality visuals. However, the trade-off is the steeper learning curve. Ultimately, the choice depends on whether you value accessibility or intricate artistry in your creative process. For users seeking a straightforward and enjoyable experience, OpenArt is the recommended choice for creating personalized artwork effortlessly. If you prioritize detail and artistic quality, MidJourney is the way to go, offering complex visuals that stand out. Choose wisely based on your artistic needs and elevate your creative projects with the right AI art tool.